everyone, welcome to Kare Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Daikon Curry. My daughter has been to Daikon digging and she got a huge Daikon radish, and my son got it as well, but since it's the first year for him, he didn't go to the digging. Kids said they wanted to make Daikon curry. I was like, are you sure? But it turned out really good. I thought Daikon curry is going to be a little watery, but it was really tasty yet delicious. It wasn't watery at all on the next day as well, and it was super delicious. So I recommend you to try it out if you have never tried it. If Daikon radish is not available in your country, you can use similar radish such as turnip. This recipe is easy to make and very satisfying, so please try it out. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Finely chop the onion. Dice Daikon radish. Use deep frying pan or pot. Heat cooking oil. Sauté the onion and daikon for 5 minutes. Add minced meat and cook until no longer pink. Meanwhile, let's make dashi soup stock if you're using it instead of water. Kayanoya Dashi is my favorite. You can of course use any soup stock. Now when the meat is cooked, add dashi soup stock. Remove the foam if necessary. Cook until daikon radish is soft. Stop the heat and mix in miso. And break in curry roux. You can use any brand available, of course. Leave for a minute and mix well. Then put on the heat and cook on low until thick. It's going to be nice if you have daikon leaves furikake. I will show how in the other video. Serve the curry over the rice. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
いただきます。まだ美味しい。おかわり美味しい。
レモン全部食べたの？早い。
チャンネル登録お願いします。ケットボタン押してね。バイバイ。チュルチュチュチュルチュチュチュルチュ。あれ隠れるの？うんっていう。うん。子だたち出てってる。へへ。